So Johnny had a phone call, and I'm waiting for this to make a horrible gunshot sound while being a foot away from a Maserati. What's up, everybody? My name is Elliott, and today we are here again with my Challenger Hellcat. But today is a special day because I'm actually going to be putting the new rear tires on it. I've teased it in other videos, and we've had a lot of fun with this car having bald tires on the channel. But today is the day I'm actually going to put the rubber to the road. It has been way too long since these rear tires have had any semblance of traction. I almost don't even remember what it's like for this car to have traction. Not like it ever had any to begin with, but more traction. Now, the only challenge we have is getting the car safely over to the Car Ninjas, because last time I drove the car, the tires were actually unraveling themselves as I was going down the road. I actually had to pull over more than once to cut strings off of the tires that were coming up and whacking the wheel well. So fingers crossed, we can get it over to the Car Ninjas safely and get these fresh tires mounted. And I am so stoked to have real rubber on the back of this car. Let's get over to the Car Ninjas. We are on the road, and right now the key is to drive very slowly and deliberately because these tires are unraveling as we speak. There's a faster way to get to the Car Ninjas by taking the highway, and I'm just not going to do that because I don't think that these tires are safe at these speeds, and they're certainly not safe at highway speeds. So we're just going to take it slow and steady and hope that these tires can make it for just one last short cruise. Well, we are just a little under a mile down the road, and I can already hear a string unraveling itself from my left rear tire. That's fine. If it gets too long, I'm gonna have to stop and cut it off so it doesn't beat the paint off of the car. Fun fact, Hellcats actually do not come equipped with spare tires. So in the, well, somewhat likely chance that these tires don't make it over to the Car Ninjas, I will have to be calling a flatbed, which is not what I want to do. And given it's my fault, I could have had this done the other day when I was already there, but I went and screwed around in a Ferrari instead, and, well, what do you expect? We can do this, car. We can do this. We've been through a lot. I know these tires are tired. But come on, tires. I know you can do it. Just one last short drive. All right. Well, we made it to the Car Ninjas. Tires, stop. And we're gonna get ready to put these tires on the Hellcat. The cool thing is he's gonna show us how this machine works, and it should be fascinating to watch. Well, let's get to it. What's up, Johnny?
Hey, what's going on?
All right, I'm gonna get these tires off?
Yeah.
Should be pretty simple, right?
Very simple.
Straightforward, but it's not German.
Tire's a tire.
Tire's a tire. All right, well, let's get to it. You're gonna have to use the floor jack though, because all the lifts are tied up with paying customers. But that's okay. This car can handle a floor jack. It's American. Oh, yeah. I think it was time.
Your alignment is perfect though.
Hey, that's good. Man, just look at that in comparison. You can't even see the tread. You can see like a shadow of tread that once was.
Yeah.
All right, over to the tire machine. Gotta wait, yeah. Got tire lube here. Oh, there it goes. this is the manual part.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, and that's off.
Almost.
Ish. Wow. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And the Hellcat has these kind of knurled beads for traction. I don't know if these are coming out, but that's pretty cool. So the rim actually gets a better bite on the tire, but then the car can overwhelm the tires so easily. I don't. It's cool that it has them. Johnny's doing the honors. Clip. Now I'm gonna have to be rewinding this footage to see how to run the machine. I'm just kidding. You gotta put the wheel Crisco back on. This looks like the labor-intensive part. Oh.
Sure they're the right size?
It should be. Oh, thank goodness. Yeah, you had me worried there. When you're at the tire shop and the guy mounting the tire says, "Are you sure these are the right size?" It's worrisome. They're going on okay. That'll pop on like that, I guess.
One more.
I don't like this. What's up?
Oh, we get the manual.
Okay.
It happens.
There goes. Oh! That sounded like a gunshot, I'm not gonna lie. Those knurled side beads on the tire were causing it to not fit up onto the rim like it normally would, or as smoothly as a typical tire. So that's fun. But it's all good now. Now it's balancing time, so. Okay, so it's doing that, and there's a laser that is checking the balance, and then it's going to show us where to put the wheel weights. So I've always had this done. I've always taken cars to shops and, dropped it off, picked it back up, new tires, boom. But this is the first time I've ever seen and been here for the whole process, and it's fascinating. These machines are awesome, and they're pretty user-friendly. So apparently I get to do the next tire, so wish me luck. So what's this showing here now?
Lots of weight.
Lots of weight. But see, the laser, I hope that comes out on camera, shows you exactly where to put it. And this thing will stop in the correct position. And then you pick the correct weight, adhere it, and then it'll check it again. Of course, I was talking, I missed the actual weight clipping procedure, but this one's balanced. So now it's time to get the other one off the car and swap a Rooski.
It's a lot easier on the lift.
Yeah, no doubt. This tire I'm expecting to be worse, mostly because of things like this. They look about the same, a little bit more worn. It's just this, like, where it was unraveling.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's a...
Another one?
Yeah, here's a good one. Yeah, look at that. Just keeps going, and this is what it was doing on the way over here. If you didn't know when it was time to replace a tire,
No.
this is when. But let's get it on the machine.
Yeah.
Apparently I'm going to be doing this one, so. But yeah, these tires served me well. It was a hard 10,000 miles.
Very impressed with the alignment.
Yeah.
Okay, so now get some lube.
Okay, so just brush some on.
Yep. A little bit more. Okay, right there. Now you start spinning it with the first level.
This one?
Right there. Yeah. Keep spinning it.
And then apply it to this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you push this button here.
This,
The other one.
the button? Oh. Push it.
Now gently start bringing it down. That's it. That's enough lube.
Oh, that's enough lube? Okay.
Lift it up.
Okay.
Lift it up. all the way up. We're going to do the same thing with the bottom.
Same thing with the bottom.
Push the button here.
Okay.
There you go. More speed. Give it more speed.
A little bit. Is that good on the lube? How do I know?
Yeah, you did. You did.
Okay.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Gently start lifting it out while it's spinning. Spin gentle. Spin it. Just spin it. That's good. That's good. Now lift the tire up. You good?
Like just with my hands?
Yeah.
Aha.
And then the bottom one, all the way up. Maybe it's kind of hold it.
Okay.
Push the button.
This button?
Yeah. And spin it gently.
Okay.
I want to hold this one. Push the button for a while. There you go. That's it.
Okay. Old tire off. Add it to the pile over here.
Get the tire.
New tire.
Around.
So I'm putting lube on
Both sides.
both sides. I just want it to go on as smoothly as possible. Just pop it up on there like.
Just kind of like this and work it in.
Okay. It's a tough one. There we go. I gotta get Johnny to do it. He's stronger than me apparently. Do it. Just gotta reef it on there. And it'll just, whoa, okay.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, it's okay. Lift that one up a little bit. Okay, go. Keep going. That's it.
Okay.
Good job.
Got it. And just plug her in and it locks.
Yeah. The black one right there.
The black one. Okay. Okay. Oh. And just keep going?
Oh yeah, you have to.
Same method as last time?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Here comes the loud bang again. Just squeeze
Squeeze.
and then wait for the gunshot sound. So Johnny had a phone call and I'm waiting for this to make a horrible gunshot sound while being a foot away from a Maserati. Here we go. Yep. I know, I saw it coming. Man, that's exciting. Will it make it through this gap? This is the, oh boy. All right, made it past the Maserati. And then I got to strongman it up onto the balancer. It's making me look weak. Okay. And that's somewhat soft close, so that's cool. And now again, the laser is scanning it, seeing where it's misbalanced, and then it should tell us. Just putty knife them off.
Yeah. Nice, right?
Yeah, you can go for it. Anyway, you hear the expression that it's not my first rodeo a lot. This is my first tire rodeo, so some of the things Johnny is just a little better about. I think he's done a few of these. Let me get my fingers.
Knock down that a few times.
Come on.
Almost. There you go. Good job.
Okay, I feel like I
Wasn't hatch now.
got my index finger pretty good. Okay, and it just does it itself, huh? Also my first wheel balance, so. That doesn't seem good. It seems like it's off on one side, huh? I'm sure that's the one I just did. Pinched my finger for nothing. It's looking good. Yeah, this is a real game of whack-a-mole of where to put the weights. This is crazy. Anyway, after much chasing around weight issues with that, we finally got it. And the Hellcat has new rear tires. I just got to set it down. I'm also going to check the balance on the front ones just because we're here and I'm still learning about all this stuff. And, you know, safety first, I guess. I don't know. But we'll pop the fronts off and do the same thing. All right, so we got the rear tires mounted and we checked the balance on all 4 tires. It looks like I might have a flat spot on one of these rims, which is bad news, but that's also kind of what I get for letting the car sit for 6 months or so. So lesson to you out there, even a car with 10,000 miles can get flat spots if you let it sit, especially one as heavy as this one. Anyway, huge shout out to Johnny. Thank you for the help. I just washed my hands, but that's all right. That's what honest work looks like. So I'm excited. It should get some grip.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Just a little, yeah.
Because 700 horsepower still is enough to overwhelm even brand new tires. So either way, we are way better off than we were. So thanks a bunch. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna shake your hand again.
Back on the road, fresh rubber installed. The previous tires, you could just kind of stab the throttle and it would slide around and spin. And I could already feel a huge difference. And a big surprise because I was taking off tires that were literally coming apart at the seams. So not a giant surprise that I have more grip, but it is a welcome surprise. And of course I waited until it was 95 degrees out and I totally missed the portion of the year that was 70 degrees and nice. Had to wait until it was really hot. Way to go. Coming up to the tunnel here. This is my first tunnel run with fresh rubber. So we'll give it just a little something. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. 700 horsepower feels fast every day of the week. It just feels even faster on fresh rubber. Look at that. Oh, normally it burns out doing that. I have grip. Some grip. It still slips, but I have a lot more grip than I used to. Now that I have no excuse not to drive this car, I think you're gonna see a little bit more of it on the channel. But don't worry, Prius folks, I'm still gonna be driving that car a lot. And when I'm not driving the Prius, you know I'm always talking about it. I love that thing.
So there you have it, guys. That's what it looks like when a total novice tries to mount and balance his own tires with a little help from Johnny the Car Ninja over at German Motor Works. And the wheels didn't fall off on the way back, so I guess I put them on tight enough. Now I have even fewer excuses not to drive this car. But fear not, Prius fans, I'm still gonna be driving that car plenty. I just have less reasons not to drive this one now that I have the tires. Anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Elliott. If you're new to the channel, check out some of my other videos. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all the other normal YouTube stuff, and I will see you on the next video.
New tires. I have grip. It feels so good not to spin prematurely. That's something these cars are known for. Premature spinning.